In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to accept a gift from a friend on Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, whenever you go to purchase any game on Steam, one of the options is going to be to buy the game to a friend, so as a gift. So you will be able to choose between for your account as a private purchase, or as a gift. And as long as someone sends you a gift, you will get a notification that you can accept. So to simply get the actual gift, all that you have to do is open this notification. Usually it is going to be automatic. So as soon as someone sends you a gift on Steam, you will see the message that they included. You will see their profile icon alongside their Steam name. You will see the game at the left. You can see a description, and you will be able to choose between two options, accepting the gift or declining it. If you decline, the person will be refunded on their original payment method, and it isn't going to be added into your account. Alternatively, if you click accept, the purchase will go through, you will receive the gift, and it is going to be available in your Steam library forever. So you will be able to download the game, play it however much you want, and it is simply tied to your own Steam account. They can send as many gifts as they want as long as you and them have been friends on Steam for a couple of days or months. This is to prevent any sort of scam or frauds that might happen. Now, if for whatever reason you want to refund the gift, that is okay as well. You just have to go over to the Steam support page and you will be able to open a help request. You will be able to submit, and the original person who gifted you the game will be refunded through the original payment method that they used. So just let the Steam support handle it. But in summary, if all you want to do is accept a gift that was sent to you, you just have to open this notification when they send the gift. As soon as you log into Steam, or if you are already online by the time they send the gift, you will see this pop up and you simply have to click accept. I hope I was able to help you on how to accept a gift from a friend on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.